Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm getting ready to air fry a couple chicken wings in my new Paula Deen air fryer. So let me lower this so y'all can see me. Well, I'm going to wash the chicken and then I'll resume filming. Oops. Okay, y'all, I've washed my chicken and I left 2 wings uncut. So I can show y'all how I cut my chicken. I got some heavy duty kitchen shears. Cutting the wing tip off. I hold it like this. I put these shears right in this joint and snip like that. You can save the tips if you want to and make stock, but I don't anymore. And then you go to the second joint. Hold it like that. Put the shears right there and cut. And if you have trouble cutting, you're not in that joint. So it's like that. It's a clean cut. Right between the gristle. And cut one more. Hold the wing by the little tip. Get in that joint and cut. And I go in here, put these shears right in that joint and cut. And it slips right through. Okay, so I'm going to sanitize and sterilize everything. I got this chicken juices on, including the sink and everything. So right now I'm drying these wings with a paper towel. Because for nice crispy wings, they need to be as dry as possible. So I'm going to finish this and I'll be back. Okay, let me clean my hands while I touch my camera. And I know washing my hands ain't sanitizing. I understand that. Okay, here's my washed and towel blotted wings. I always put yellow mustard on my wings. About that much for these many wings. And I'm going to use Cicero seasoning. There's no salt in here. Just good flavor and good color. Because I'm not going to bread these wings. This has paprika in it and the good stuff. But no salt. What's in here? Garlic, cumin, coriander, annatto, paprika. No MSG and no salt. Okay, now this got the salt in it. Chicka licka bam bam. Bird rub. Okay, this has salt in it. So you don't need no extra salt. This has black pepper, white pepper, red pepper. So you don't need no pepper in it either. I don't know why I got it sitting out. Okay, so now I'm going to rub this. Massage it and smush it. I got a wing in here I didn't cut. Okay, it's okay. I'll put some of these wings in a Ziploc bag. So they'll be ready to cook. They're already washed and seasoned. Because Walter just fixed him 2 hamburgers. I told him I didn't know I was going to fix chicken. And he full. Waiting for my new air fryer to come, but I didn't know if they was gonna bring it. It's like yesterday, it was supposed to come. I'm gonna have to call Amazon, tell them about themselves. I pay for Amazon Prime, and so when they tell me something's gonna be here a certain day, I expect it. They done left me hanging too many times. I'll be back when I'm through doing this. I'm going to put some of these wings in this bag right now. Fold the top of the bag down so you don't get the outside of the bag nasty. Fix these tomorrow. I'm putting mostly drumettes in here. And I like the flats. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5. 6 flats. Okay, this is what I'm gonna put up. So it'll be marinating. Okay. Looks like it needs something else. Instead of me leaving well enough alone. Y'all see? I'm gonna shake some pepper on it since it's here. Still coming out slow, even though I've changed the battery. Okay, this is my 10-quart Paula Deen air fryer. I just got it. It's my first time using it. I got this fry basket thing up high. It has legs, so you can raise it or lower it. And I put foil underneath that to catch the grease and to keep the legs from scratching the finish. Push that back some. Oh, that's right. I don't usually have to spray it with naked wings because the skin makes its own oil, but I did. Oh my goodness, this basket is huge, so I got a lot of room to spread out. I'm just putting 6 little flats in here. And they look lost in this big old basket. Come on. So yeah. Look at that. These wings look lost. Looks like it'll hold about 20 wings. But I don't know yet. And I got it sitting on one of these glide mats. You can use like a bamboo placemat. I mean real bamboo. It ain't gonna burn. Okay. How you do this? Press that to turn it on. Let me see what happens if I press wings. Okay, how many minutes? I want 22 minutes. Okay. Start. And I didn't spray anything. Look how quiet it is. Next time I'll bread my wings so y'all can see how it does breaded chicken. But I'll be back. This is quiet. This is what I'm sanitizing the sink and the faucet handle and everything with. and the bowl and the kitchen shears. It has 1 more minute. I'm sure it's done now though. Very quiet. It did smoke a little bit. They say you're supposed to run it for 20 minutes before you use it for the first time, and I didn't do that. So it's not smoking anymore. Okay, I want to stop it now. Cut it off. Let's unplug my stuff. This is the fan that's plugged in over there. Yeah, that's hot. Everything is hot, except for the handle. Okay. Didn't flip nothing over. They brown on the other side. A little bit more brown if I had flipped them, but they're okay. They're brown enough. And the foil down there caught this grease, so I'll wash this thing later. Okay. Here are my 6 little flats. They are crispy. Let me take this out. Okay, these are my 6 naked flats cooked in my 10-quart Paula Deen air fryer. This ain't no great presentation, but it's gonna taste good. Okay, I'm gonna taste a wing. Flat. That's how it looks on the front side that was facing the heat. And this is the bottom. I didn't flip it. It's crispy, y'all. Y'all hear that? It's piping hot. So it cooked at 400 for 21 minutes. You hear that? Mmm. Hot. Gotta try it again. Let me try the other side. If naked wings are this crispy, just think how breaded wings gonna be. This seasoning tastes good, but I'm gonna put some hot sauce on it. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the evening. 7:23 p.m. here. Okay. Bon appetit. Bye.